All right, we're going to do 9.4.3, Algebra 1, multiplying polynomials. Okay, so last section we did multiplying binomials, we did the FOIL method, and we did the box method. I will do the FOIL, quote-unquote, FOIL method. FOIL second only for a 2x2. We're going to be dealing with larger than binomials, so trinomials essentially, maybe sometimes a fourth degree, or a four-term polynomial maybe, but we'll see. As they say, using the distributive property, that is essentially just what we were doing with the FOIL method. So I'm going to do 1 as the FOIL method, and then you can see that they have already drawn the box. I'll do 1 with the FOIL method, or the distributive property, I guess, is what they're calling it, which is proper. I'll do 1 like that, and then everything after that I'm going to use the box method. All right, so I kind of gave you both options for the multiplying binomials. You can still use the distributive method / FOIL method for quote-unquote FOIL method for these, but I'm going to be pushing you towards the box method. So just like before, I need to take everything in the left polynomial and multiply by everything in the right. So I need to multiply this x by this, this, and this. So x times 2x squared is 2x cubed. X times negative 6 is negative 6x squared. X times 5 is 5x. And then I got to do everything for the other one. 3 times all of these. 3 times 2x squared is 6x squared. 3 times negative 6x is negative 18x. 3 times 5 is 15. And then I got to combine my like terms. So I have no other x cubed, so I'm going to write x cubes first. So I have 2x cubed. Negative 6x squared and a positive 6x squared, they actually cancel out. 5x and a negative 18x is going to be a negative 13x. And I have a plus 15. All right. Now, number 2, we're going to set up the box. So I have x squared and negative 3x. Now, going down now, I'm going to have 2x squared, negative 6x, always take the signs, and negative 5. Draw my box. Oh, that's an awful box. And now we draw a box there. Now we have to draw 3 rows. All right, and now let's multiply. 2x squared times x squared is going to be 2x to the 4th. 2x squared times negative 3x is negative 6x cubed. X squared times 6x is negative 6x cubed. Negative 6 times 3x is negative 3x will be a positive 18x squared. X squared times negative 5 is negative 5x squared. Negative 5 times negative 3 is a positive 15x. And check it out. Diagonally, I have like terms. Now, these have a couple of them. So then my final answer here, right down here in red, is going to be 2x to the 4th. Negative 12x cubed, 13x squared, plus 15x. All right, so you can do the distributive property or you do the box method. I'm going to push you towards the box method each and every time. So now it's the same thing we did last section, except for now there's just going to be more of it. It's more of the stuff, a little bit longer, not that much. You'll be all right. Now, they've already set up the box method for us here, so we're just going to go ahead and say thank you and use it. X squared times x squared is going to be x to the 4th. X squared times 3x is going to be 3x cubed. X squared times 4 is 4x squared. X squared times negative 2 is negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times 3x is going to be negative 6x. And then 4 times negative 2 is going to be negative 8. Well, now I don't have diagonals that are like terms, so I just kind of got to go with it. We'll have x to the 4th. I have a 3x cubed. I have these 2x squared, so that's going to be a 2x squared. Minus 6x minus 8. All right, so now the next one we have a 3 by 3. That's fine. 3x squared. I'm gonna give myself 3x squared times x squared is gonna be 3x to the fourth. 3x squared times negative 3x is gonna be negative 9x cubed. 3 times is gonna be negative 6x squared x cubed. Negative 3x squared. Negative 2x. Negative 3x x squared. Negative 3, so positive 9x. And then positive 6. And then we will have the diagonals kind of matching up for us, like terms. And then it's probably cleaner on your own box. And obviously this one matches as well. And we rewrite it. I have 3x to the fourth. X squared and negative 9, or x cubed and negative 9x cubed is going to be negative 8x cubed. Negative 3x squared, negative 3x squared is negative 6x squared, then another negative 6 is going to be a negative 12x squared. 9x and negative 2x is going to be 7x plus 6. Boom. All right, I'll do one more. Let's do number 8. No, let's do number 8. It's a 3 by 3. I wish it was negatives though. All right, so 8 would just be a 3 by 3. So it's just bigger, just like we did number 4, just a bigger box. But there's no negatives there, so there's really no tricky stuff there. I'm going to do number 7 instead, just because I think it may be more difficult. I don't know if it actually will be. So we have 2x squared. We have negative 4x, negative 7. Then negative 2x squared, negative 6. Draw my box all the way around it. It's going to correct it, and I got to get rid of it. And then I just divide it with however many rows and columns I need. 3 columns, 2 rows. All right, now I'm going to multiply. I got negative 2x squared times 2x squared is going to be negative 4x to the fourth. Negative 2x squared times negative 4 is going to be positive 8x cubed. Right here is going to be a positive 14x squared. It's going to be negative 12x squared. Positive 24x. And what's that going to be? Positive 42. I'm just going to combine my like terms. So we got a negative 4x to the fourth. Then my cubes, I only have one cube. 8x cubed. And I do my squares, it's going to end up only being 2x squared. You got 24x plus 42. There we go. So I didn't do as many example problems for this one, but it's this kind of similar thing that we did last one. It's just now it's bigger, it's expanded. I mean, maybe there's more multiplication, more steps, but the steps are all the same. We are just repeating them more often. That's all it is.